Learn with Chef Philip. 5 shrimp marinades that you can make in just 30 minutes. We're done with chicken, pork, beef, fish marinades. This time, shrimp marinades. If you're allergic to shrimp, skip this video. Or panoorin mo na rin. First, Pinoy barbecue. Soy sauce, calamansi juice, fish sauce, brown sugar, red onion, and garlic. Next, chimichurri. Cilantro, parsley, garlic, red pepper, oregano, apple cider, and olive oil. Next, tandoori. Greek yogurt, lime juice, ginger, cumin, turmeric, black pepper, salt. You can use garam masala. Next, honey sriracha. Sriracha, soy sauce, honey, ginger, garlic, olive oil, then mix together. Last, garlic parmesan, butter, parmesan cheese, garlic, olive oil, Italian herbs, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and salt. Always marinate shrimp for 15 to 30 minutes with acid, oil, and seasonings. Keep it cold. Pat it dry before cooking. Do not over-marinate and overcook. Kung may allergy ka, wag mo na i-try. Ang dali lang, di ba? Don't forget the labels. You can use any sealed container. If I were you, send this to your friend. Ready na ulit for 1 week.